Hi students, how are you? In our last class, reminders theorem completed. Once I will repeat the reminders theorem. Let P of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and let A be any real number if P of x is divided by a linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is P of a. Based on that reminders theorem, now today we can complete the exercise 2.3. Once see the first problem in exercise 2.3, page number 42. Find the remainder when x cube, the polynomial is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by the following linear polynomial. Divide with first one x plus 1. This polynomial divide with the polynomial x plus 1. Now the first one is x cube. Divide like this. And the first term in this x. X cube by x, it is nothing but x square. Now write x square here and product like this. X into x square, x cube, and plus 1 into x square, 1x square. I will explain one more time. The first term of this is x cube and the first term of this one is x. Dividing these two we get x square. Now product x square into x plus 1. X into x square, x cube, 1 into x square, x square. Now if you subtract, the symbols will be changed. Plus x cube and minus x cube is cancelled. 3x square minus x square, we get 2x square. And next term is plus 3x. Now again same process. In this the first term is 2x square. Divide with the same letter, that is x. Now we get 2x. Write this into here. Now again same process, x into 2x. X into 2x, 2x square plus 1 into 2x, 2x. Now again subtract, symbols again change. Plus 2x square minus 2x square cancel. 3x minus 2x, it is x. And the last term it is plus 1. Now same process, x and here x is dividing one time. Right here 1. 1 into x, x plus 1 into 1, 1. Now symbols change, cancelled, and it is also cancelled. Now the remainder is 0. When x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divided with the x plus 1, the quotient is x square plus 2x plus 1 and the remainder is 0. Dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. Dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Now we are going to the next problem. First Roman third problem. Same polynomial x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divide with x. Divide with x. X is nothing but x plus 0. X is nothing but x plus 0. Same x cube by x, we get x square. Now write here x square into x cube. Sorry, x square into x cube. Now subtraction, only one term. Now the next term is 3x square. Take 3x square and divide with x. We get 3x. Right here 3x. 3x into x. 3x square. Again subtraction. Same terms cancelled. And the next term is 3x. Again the same process. 3x is dividing the same x. X cancel. We get 3. Right here 3. 3 into x, 3x. Now it is subtraction, same, cancelled, and next term is 1. 1 by x Here observe, the degree of dividend is 1, the degree of remainder is 0. By the remainders theorem, this is the remainder of the given polynomials. Now dividend divide with the divisor x, we get the remainder 1, and the quotient is x square plus 3x plus 3, and the remainder is 1. Like this you have to complete the first Roman, and we are going to second Roman. Find the remainder when the polynomial x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p, x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p is divided by x minus p, is divided by x minus p. Now I am dividing, x cube is the first term of dividend, in divisor it is x. Now we get x square, x cube by x square, right here in quotient, x square into x cube, x square into minus p x square, minus p x square. Now subtraction symbols will be changed, same terms, different symbols cancelled. Now next terms are 6x and minus p. Now 6x by x, now we get 6, right here plus 6, 6 into x, 6x, 6 into minus p, minus 6p. Now symbols change, same terms and different symbols cancelled, plus 6 minus 5, plus 6 minus p plus 5, 5p is the remainder. When x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p is dividing with the x minus p, the remainder is 5p and the quotient is x square plus 6. Like this you can complete the remaining problems. I will explain one more, fifth problem. X cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5 and x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a leaves the same remainder when divided by, x minus 2, find the value of a. Now here both are dividing by x minus 2. X minus 2 is equal to 0. What is the 0 of polynomial of this one? X is equal to 2. 0 of polynomial x minus 2 is x is equal to 2. Now the given polynomials, I am taking p of x, one polynomial, and other polynomial is q of x. What is the first polynomial? 2x cube plus ax square 3x plus 3x minus 5, and q of x polynomial, second polynomial is x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a. Both the polynomial dividing with the x minus 2 leaves the same remainder. That means p of 2 is equal to q of 2. Leaves the same remainder means p of 2 equal to q of 2. Now substitute 2 into x. In the place of x you have to substitute 2. 2 cube plus a into x. X means 2 square. X square means 2 square plus 3 into x. What is the value of x? 2 minus 5 is equal to q of 2. In equation q of x you have to substitute at x plus 2. 2 cube plus 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus a. This is a. Now simplify. 2 into 2 cube. 2 cube value 8 plus a into 2 square. 2 square value 4 plus 3 2s are 6 minus 5 equal to 2 cube. 8 plus 4 minus 8 plus a. Minus 8 plus 8 cancelled, and simplify. Variables 2 8 are 16 plus 8 4 are 4a plus 6 minus 5 plus 1. 6 minus 5 plus 1 is equal to 4 plus a. Now variables 4a and a will bring on LHS side. 4a minus a is equal to 4a minus a is equal to constants 4. 16 plus 1 17 on LHS side, transfer into RHS side minus 17. From this 3a is equal to 17 minus 4 minus 13. From this a is equal to minus 13 by 3. Minus 13 by 3. When the reminders are same, p of 2 equal to q of 2 when divided with x minus 2. If we simplify like this, a value is minus 13 by 3. Like this you have to complete remaining 9 problems. If you have any doubt, please contact me.